What makes you, you? Ultimately, everyone must answer this question. But for creatives, this is the one. The one that keeps you up at night. The one that makes you script, shoot, edit, but never publish. The one that makes you buy new gear, visit new restaurants, buy tickets to new destinations, bleed your bank accounts dry just to have that one thing to post about. The one that cripples you after the post only gets 100 views, 10 likes, and no comments. The one that makes you take time off social media, but also makes you keep the business or Finsta accounts, because deep down, you know you're on Reddit to unshackle yourself from the algorithm. You either keep searching for it or resort to new ways to fuel that fire. And maybe you tell yourself, I don't care about engagement, while staring at the holes in your wallet from all that spending. Spent time, spent hope, spent dollars. Sooner or later, you get back on that horse and take another crack at it. Because you know it really only takes one viral
that
moment.
Makes a man go crazy every time.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
In reality, it takes much more than one. But this is the level of delusion you sometimes must have. That stroke of insanity that keeps you doing the same thing over and over again, knowing it didn't work out the last 10 times. Is it all a waste of time? Or is it just part of the process? The process of finding your persona. But in reality, do you ever find your persona? Or does it find you? And that is my question to you. A creative or not, what lengths have you gone to find yourself, find your voice in whatever spaces you occupy? And I know I've been gone a while, but honestly, this is part of the reason why. Trying to find my voice in this social media void, while on the other hand, life keeps lifing, you know? And sure, I've been traveling a lot, but I've had the chance to post. I have a lot of content I could post, but I question every shoot, every script, every choices I make. And although, yeah, that's a good thing to do sometimes, but at what point do you let that cripple you to a point where you just do nothing? You find that consistency is really hard when you're wired to trim the fat off of things that don't work out instantly for you. Although we all seem to believe that we are able to not succumb to instant gratification, but a little part of us still fall for that sometimes. So let me know in the comment section, what fuels you? What keeps you going? In life, in business, as a creative, or just in general? Is it blind faith? Is it just brutal willpower? Or maybe you just never thought about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.